Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Like always, before I start the video, kind of losing my voice a little bit, but like always, before I start the video, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Please give me, also, if you have time, to give me a like. Definitely helps push my videos out, helps the algorithm push my videos out to other people that like my stuff as much as you guys. So that being said, let's get this video started, and it's going to be quite a short video because I don't really need too much TA on what's happening right now. DXY actually broke lows. He actually had the DXY break the lows of 106.2 just today actually, which means that I am extremely, I don't want to say positive, but I do think that right now, you are on it seems like you are on a more clear direction that SPY is going to go up to 407 as opposed to dumping here. You actually did have the SPY drop extremely hard at the end of the day from 401 all the way down to 395. That whole recovery, right? That whole drop, you basically recovered on the overnight session. So with this 4-hour trigger going bullish in about an hour and a half, which would be at 4, 5, like 7 in the morning, I think it will be the official close. If we actually close this 4-hour bull trigger, I can definitely see us go to like 402, 404 today, possibly even 405 or higher than that. It just seems extremely likely right now that we are looking at just doing a huge push to the upside, especially with trends staying in this range here, especially with us staying here, right? Let me put this a little bit like this. But especially with us being still, in this sort of, trading range. Why is it like that? I need to make this lower. No, that should be fine, I think. Yeah, then that's fine. I don't know why, whatever. I'm going to stick with what I had. I don't want to change it. But as of right now, it does seem like, we are headed, gonna go extremely hard to the upside. Would not be surprised if you actually give a really good pop. Let me see, 15 minute, yeah. As of right now, like I said, yesterday I was talking about it. We're actually closing candles under, right? You never close an actual candle, right? You went above, right? Came down, wicked, right? There's no actual close on a candle on anything. Nothing is an actual close. But when you actually start closing full hour candles above or under, that's going to be the clear direction. But looking at the 4-hour, looking at the dollar, just creating brand new lows, man, this thing looks like it's going to 407. I'd be looking at nothing but longs for today. If this thing comes back to 396 or whatever, I'd look for longs. Again, tight stop losses under like 395 around that area. I'd be looking for longs all day long today. Like this thing looks like it's going to rocket to the freaking moon today, I'll be honest. And again, the dollar's going to be closing a bull trigger on the hour in 26 minutes, but I don't know. I don't want to trust it too much because you already broke lows. So, I mean, it seems very likely that the dollar is just going to keep going all the way down. As far as right now, I actually really thought that this 8-hour was going to push us back to trend. It doesn't seem likely. It seems like you're probably going straight down to 103, and then you're not actually going to recover till you actually hit 103 and then possibly go to the upside. So, as of right now, it definitely does look like it definitely does look like SPY is going to keep pushing towards like 407 today. And I think that's going to be my forecast. If we actually come down hard today to like 390, I'm going to be extremely surprised because as of right now, like I said, dollar broke lows. You're looking at SPX. Look at that. You just hit, you're about to break $400. And then also you look at the NASDAQ, right? If we actually come and look at the NASDAQ, you're actually starting to break trend. And you're starting to break a full 4-hour candle above trend. Look, you already created a 4-hour candle above trend. I'd be longing the F out of everything right now. This is insane. This push that we've had ever since CPI came in at 7.7 has been ridiculous. I really don't think the NASDAQ is going to stop till 12,146. Or, if you're trying to play the QQQ, this thing is going to, let me see. Trend. Oops. There you go. Trend. Yeah, next area is going to be, do I have any areas? I actually don't have any areas. That's weird. So the next area is probably going to be here, like right there. That's going to be your next area. So 311. I think 311 is going to be your next stop for the QQQ. Actually, why don't I have anything? I really don't have anything, huh? That's weird. I don't have anything. I'll have to work on the market structure on this. But yeah, man, this looks kind of insane. Like I think as soon as you break this to the upside, right, 399. Look at that. You're about to hit $400. You look 300. There you go. Just hit 400. Yeah, this thing is. I mean, like I said yesterday, long down here, short up here, long down here, short up here, and I think as of right now, it's solid chance we actually see like the 405, 407 range today, which is extremely nutty, just because the DXY broke those lows. So again, if I had to pick a direction today, I'd say this thing's going to like 405, 407. It's absolutely insane how much bullish momentum this has. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.